Assalamu alaikum dear students. Look at these pictures very carefully and repeat after me.
This is farmer. This is farmer. This is architect. This is architect. This is businessman. This is businessman. This is policeman. This is policeman. This is dentist. This is dentist. This is fireman. This is fireman. This is teacher. This is teacher. Now look at this picture. Nurse. Nurse. This is butcher. This is butcher. After that, look at this picture. This is plumber. This is plumber. This is carpenter. This is carpenter. Next one. This is barber. This is barber. Now let's come to the another picture. This is cobbler. This is cobbler. This is goldsmith. This is goldsmith. Next one. This is blacksmith. This is blacksmith. This is tailor. This is tailor. Another picture. This is actor. This is actor. This is lawyer. This is lawyer. Next one. Doctor. This is doctor. This is engineer. This is engineer. Another one. This is driver. This is driver. This is worker. This is worker. This is postman. This is postman. Let's come to next picture. This is writer. This is writer. This is baker. This is baker. This is chef. This is chef. This is astronaut. This is astronaut. Next picture. This is soldier. This is soldier. Another picture is journalist. This is journalist. This is painter. This is painter. Next one, scientist. This is scientist. Last picture is salesperson. This is salesperson.